Ever pondered over how to smell good all day during winter? It's an art, an olfactory journey, and today we're going to delve deep into it. A little secret of the perfume world. It's called layering fragrances. Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine a rich, warm cloak of scent, weaving a tale of spice, warmth, and comfort. Perfect for the winter chill. Sounds inviting, doesn't it? That's the power of layering fragrances. We begin this scented adventure with the first step, choosing your base fragrance. The base scent is like the foundation of a building. It sets the tone. Traditionally heavier, more robust scents work best in winter. Think woody, musky, or spicy notes. But remember, this is your fragrance story, so pick a scent that resonates with you. Our second step is to select a mid-layer fragrance. This scent should complement your base fragrance. It's like adding texture to a painting. It's a good idea to choose a scent that shares a common note with your base fragrance, but introduces something new as well. Perhaps a hint of vanilla or a touch of cinnamon. Now we move on to the third step, the top layer. This scent is the first one that hits the nose, the introduction to your fragrance story. Lighter, more volatile scents work best here. Citrus or floral notes can add a delightful twist to your layered scent. Once you've selected your fragrances, it's time for the fourth step, application. Start with your base fragrance. Apply it to your pulse points, wrists, neck, behind the ears. Then, wait for a moment. Let the scent settle. Next, apply your mid-layer fragrance to the same spots. Again, pause. Let the scents mingle. Let them dance together. Finally, apply your top layer. And voila! You've created your unique layered scent. Just remember, when layering fragrances, less is more. You don't want to drown in your scent. You want to wear it. And practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations until you find the one that sings to you. Now let's recap. Layering fragrances is a simple 4-step process. 1. Choose your base fragrance, something robust and resonant. 1. Select a mid-layer fragrance that shares a common note with your base but introduces something new. 1. Pick a top layer, a lighter scent that adds a twist to your fragrance story. 1. Apply each layer one by one, letting the scents mingle between applications. And that, my friends, is the art of layering fragrances for winter. Remember, your scent is your signature, so make it as unique and unforgettable as you are.